Welcome to another video by Stan's Auto Repair, and this one is continuation of another video. But to get the passenger side axle out, you can get underneath the car, just how I'm about to do it from the top. You can do it from the bottom, because unless you has the engine apart like I do. But you can get a tie rod tool, get it kind of like laying on there, get you a little 3-pound sledgehammer. Let's see if I can set you guys down so I can do this. Okay, so right here you'll get it from the bottom, and you tap it, not real hard, just in case you're reusing this. But if you're replacing it, you still want to tap it easy and work it out slowly, because you got those splines that's in the transmission and you don't want to damage them. Once you get it out so far, you can pull it the rest of the way out. Like so. Because, as you can see, there's a locking pin. Well, not necessarily a pin, but a compression spring. It's plastic. But this goes in the transmission. And this part back here is transmissions, and these are the splines you're not wanting to mess up. Because if you mess those up inside there, you'll do some pretty good damage. Now, to reinstall it would be the same way as you took it out. Kind of get it, line it up. Twist it, and then it'll pop right in. So that's how you get it back in, and I'll demonstrate from the bottom, from underneath the car, getting it out so you can kind of see. And you want to have a pan, because you will lose some transmission fluid the same. So from the bottom, just lightly tap. And as you see, it pops right out. And then you can pull it out from the passenger wheel well.